What's happening, guys? I'm out with my charter clients, John, Mike, Rob, and Mark. They're from New Jersey, and they're going to slay it. These guys are absolute snipers. We probably caught between the keepers and shorts almost 100 fish. I went through 95 clips in this video. We kept our boat limit of 20 keepers to 7+ pounds at 22 inches. It was a bit of a rough, windy morning, but it calmed down in the afternoon, so I apologize for the wind. Oh, here you go. You got it. Short. I'm gonna start cutting up whites now that they're biting. Early on, I like to cut up as many legs as I can. Pre-cut crab for my customers. Crack shells are the best way to go. And by a constant flow of these legs overboard, even with this current, even though it trails out, it turns a bite on pretty quick. Think you need a net? Holy shit.
Yeah, buddy!
It's sort of boat. I'm gonna get the net. John's on too. Okay. Oh shit. Nice fish. Yeah. Nice fish on the stinger. $20. Yeah, we'll see. Close. Yeah, it might be hair short. It's close. I like he keeps. Keeper? Oh yeah, there's a keeper. Yeah, I'm gonna anchor us. With the fairly strong northeast wind and incoming current, the Minn Kota kept overriding and shutting down, so I had to drop anchor. I moved myself back up on the piece, dropped the anchor, set the hook, and we were right back on the fish. Oh, it should be locking up.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Yeah. Conveniently, the layout of the cup holders happens to work out next to each angler, so they can just throw their cut up crab right in the cup holder. Oh.
You use hermits crabs?
I would love to, yeah. Yeah. The only problem is that porgies and everybody comes in on them. That's a keeper.
You only had one shot at them, huh?
Yeah. Oh, they attack it like crazy. Get him in. Nice. He's rubbing you?
I got him up.
At some point, though, it'll be between the current and the it's going to look like a heavier fish. John's on. There you go, John. Yeah.
You should keep.
Oh, yeah, it's close. Gotta cut up some more bait. Yeah.
Now you're waking up. Maybe 15.
Yeah.
Good.
He's close. Yeah, you're right. 15 around. Yeah, it might keep. I think he's just short though. Might be right on the money. Yeah, he keeps. 16 1/4. It's got a good, decent fight. I gotta cut up some more crab. That's close. That one looks like it's right there. Nice. Oh, nice D-hook. Nice keeper. Nice. Oh, pinball. You've got a fast hook set, man.
Yeah.
Like it's instant. Yeah, Halky's jealous because Skinner says that my hook set's the best hook set he's ever seen. I'm like, I don't know how to take that from Skinner, you know? Halk did recommend my charter to these guys. Love you, Halk.
I would hit the G-top.
Yeah, I'm snapping rods left and right, so it's not that great. You know what I mean?
I got a bad hand or else I would be set harder, believe me.
Nice. Keeps. Fucking high hook. Goldstein was on fire on this trip early on. He was definitely high hook with 18 keepers.
God, I've never seen that before. That's crazy, right?
Yeah, I've never seen a blackfish swallow a hook set. Yeah, you don't need to believe him. He's done. Need a net? Okay. Okay, I'm coming behind you. Okay. Oh yeah. Good fish. Good fish. Nice fish. On the jig. Good fish. Nice. Really? What, was it the right? Really? Holy. Well, figures. Figures. I say move and. Well, it's. Nice fish. That's a keeper. 100%.
And who makes the?
Here, I'll give you some. I have some. I think I have them with me. Nice catch. Yeah, I'll give you guys some jigs. Ah, I made them. They're 5.0 2X Mustad. Okay.
I love the colors of them fish. They got the gold. Like
Yeah, the rust. Yeah, it's good. Nice.
Short.
Yeah. You know.
I think it feels good on this rod.
Yeah. It's got good bend.
Could have been a cowboy. Ooh. Nice one, bud.
It's thick, and yeah, it might keep actually. Close, real close, thick too. I think it keeps by about a ½ inch, maybe. 16 and 3/8. Nice fish. And you saw that little white flicker in the last clip. Robert had pulled up a 7+ pounder, but the file was corrupted. It froze up.
We'll see when he comes up and sees me.
I gotta get a fucking jig. I got jig.
Yeah, I know. What you've been doing with this jig and the stinger, man, it's definitely going to have me try something I don't do.
And that blue bag.
Decent.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can grab that, though. I don't have to net it.
That's a keeper.
Yeah. Nice fish. There we go.
You had the jig that time, right? Yeah. Mine had like lipstick red.
Yeah.
And they were like,
I've heard guys say that doing that agitates the fish and
Yeah,
they'll hit
it's a
hard.
strike. When we got in
Yeah.
Long Island Sound, and a lot of times, like when we're jigging it, when we pull it away from with the jig, you pull it away from them and they hammer it.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Like other places, they wouldn't even touch it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like when I in Jersey too,
It's
I
like you're
this.
showing it some life.
Like when I first drop it down, go like down and all that stuff. You know, like you don't bounce your weight. You're just moving the tip.
Just, yeah.
moving the
Just
tip,
giving
you
a
know?
little bit of movement.
Yeah. Sometimes it makes them aggravated and they come boom.
We were limited on the north side, so we made a move to do some light jigging in shallow water to get the rest of our 20 keeper limit. Real good fish. First drop, first fish, keeper. Nice. That's the guy I threw back. Let's see if he's got the 1 buck tooth. There was one that he had a buck tooth. Yeah, 3 times he bit me and came up. I'm like, dude, keeper. And then we toss him back. Nice. Is that on the jig? Nice. Oh, we got something decent here. Nice. Mike also did really well with the jig stinger combo. This is something I definitely want to try after seeing how many fish he caught with it. Oh, buddy, come on, buddy, come on, buddy. On the stinger. I got definitely. You guys have convinced me. You guys have convinced me. I was always like, when I first saw it, I was like, on other boats, you know, last year I seen it a lot, and I was like, I don't know, man. I gotta get the net on that. Wow.
Let's go!
Nice fish. Oh no, he ain't done yet. I'm coming to your left. You can keep bringing them up. Nice. Yep. Nice. Nice fish, man. Well, this baby's going back. That's Bucky. That's Bucky. That's the one. See his tooth? Yeah. Oh. Oh, he's jump. Oh, take it easy,
Bucky, you're going back.
Bucky, it's all right. Woo. Yeah. Nice fish. Okay. I'm gonna keep tying his line.
What's that?
Yeah, I'll get the net. That's a real good fish. Okay.
I feel good about the jig bite. You don't feel it, just grab it and run.
Nice. That might be Bucky again, dude. That's what he does. It looks like Bucky. Dark. Cool. Let's see if it's Bucky. I'll know if it's tooth. No, this ain't Bucky. Dark female. I told you they were dark over here, huh?
Hey, man, blending in with these rocks.
Oh yeah. Decent bend.
It's a keeper?
Yeah, that's a keeper. It brought your rod in the water. Oh, there goes my... Ooh, nice fish.
Nice fish.
I get
Nice male.
Nice male, dude.
Right?
Yeah. Okay, buddy. That's a big male. There it goes. Okay, he's back.
Thank you, bud.
Yeah, no problem. Ooh, we got another one. So I knew I was marking a couple good fish.
I got two a little bit.
Yeah? Oh, dude, yeah, it's running good for tightening the drag. Yeah, thick, female. I'll get this deal real quick. That's a nice fish, man. Nice fish. Oh yeah. That's almost, that's probably 6.5, a little more maybe. Yeah, something like that. And a twofer. Hey, him too.
Double trouble.
Both of you guys doubled.
Mama and baby. They say mama and baby.
Yeah, mama and baby.
Mama and baby. Baby went to the tree.
That's funny, man. There's a couple fish down there. Ooh, there you go, John. Nice. Nice one.
There's one thing I'll tell you, when you get our group, there's always someone who's on fire. Everybody takes turns.
Nice, nice. Nice fish. Another nice big female. Beautiful. Another good, that's a keeper, I think. We're close. Okay. Oh, it's on? Jesus Christ. These guys are gonna remember you. These fish.
Yeah.
These fish are gonna be like, don't bring them again. Dude. Nice. Nice fish. Spit it. Nice.
Nice one, bud. Nice.
Nice hookup, man. Perfect. Really nice hookup. Oh, nice fish. Oh, nice, nice fish.
Nice one.
There's a good fish. You got him out. Nice. It was an absolute pleasure to have you guys aboard, and I'm looking forward to the next trip, November 11th. Hopefully we have great weather and we can really make a run. Nice fish.
Flash is beautiful. Flash is beautiful.